Welcome back. We're here looking at the cryptocurrency market. This is going to be my daily forecast for Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. If you'd like to support the channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and we'll start by looking at Bitcoin. As you can see, we have rallied the last two trading days, did fall quite a bit and then continued rallying today. We're up at the 36,795. We do have a crossing here of the 20 exponential and 200 moving average. Usually it's a fairly bearish sign. The last time we had that crossing, we have to go all the way back to basically 2020. And that is not a very good sign. So whether or not this will continue to fall and that we will probably also have a crossing of the 50 and the 200 moving average, that is to be seen. But the 50 crossing the 200 usually is a very, very bearish sign. At the moment, it looks like we are rallying back towards the 200 moving average or 20 exponential. And the question is whether or not we will get rejected again. We did get rejected the last time we tested it. And another rejection could see this drop all the way down to 30,000. And if that breaks, then we are looking at 20,000. We are fairly low here in the RSI. There's quite a little room to the upside. So we may see this rally substantially in the next few trading days. Technical indicators are turning around, even though they are in bearish territory. You can see that the MACD is just crossing the signal line here. So is the stochastic, and the CCI is turning around, becoming, well, still in negative territory. So it is to be seen. We are trending sideways at this current stage. When we get towards the 20, get a rejection there, then we could head towards much lower levels. A break above the 200 moving average opens the door to the 50 up at 39,800. So let's look at Ethereum. So this has really rallied today. We're up roughly 8%, and we're heading towards the 20 exponential and the 50 moving average. Technical indicators, they are still fairly bearish, but they are turning around. MACD is bearish, stochastic is bullish, CCI is bearish, and so RSI is technically flat at its current stage. 200 moving average looks like it's going to be the bottom of this market. We're trading at 2,611 at this point, but we do have a crossing here at the 20 and the 50, and we have not tested the 20 yet, and we have not tested the 50 yet either. So rejection there could basically put this back towards the 200 moving average. So let's look at Cardano. So this is also just trending sideways, and the top middle of the Bollinger Band is offering resistance. The bottom of the Bollinger Band is offering support. If you look at technical indicators, they are slowly turning around. MACD is still bearish, stochastic is bullish, the CCI is becoming bullish, and the RSI is flat at this current stage. If we break above the middle of the Bollinger Band, then we could head towards $2 and then $2.20. Break below the 1.16, then we could see it fall towards $1 and then probably to $0.80. So let's look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is still just hovering around the 200 moving average. And as long as this is the case and we basically build stabilization here, then we could see this rally to the upside. Break below this level here of 116, then we could really drop to significantly lower levels. And if you look at technical indicators, we can see that they are slowly turning around. MACD is still in negative territory, but about to cross the signal line. We have the same thing here for the stochastic, and the CCI is also in negative territory, while the RSI is flat. So if we rally from here, we'll most likely test the 20 exponential at 209. And the question is whether or not we get rejected there. So let's look at NEO. So NEO here is not as bullish as some of the other cryptocurrencies have been recently. So we did break down towards the 200 moving average, found support there. We're trading at 53 at this current stage. Technical indicators, they are not looking very bullish. The stochastic in the MACD is bearish, stochastic is flat, CCI is bearish, and the RSI is flat at this point. If we break below the 200 moving average, then we could drop all the way down to $25 and probably also down to $15 or $13. If we rally from here and break above the 20 exponential, then we have the 50 up here at the 83. But at this current stage, it looks like it's more likely that we'll we will go sideways before we continue rallying. So let's look at Dash. So Dash is also very similar to Bitcoin, hanging around at the 200 moving average. We're trading just underneath that. Technical indicators are very flat. RSI is flat. CCI is bearish at this point. Stochastic is flat, and the MACD is still bearish, but is about to cross the signal line, indicating bullish momentum. So if we break below these previous lows here at 119, then we could go to 100, and then probably significantly lower than that. It's difficult to say where we'll head to if that is the case. We'll probably have a crossing of the 20 and the 200 moving average, and usually is a very bearish signal. So let's look at Dogecoin. So this just does not have the same momentum as it did previously. So we're still trading at 0.31, and we have a crossing here at the 20 and the 50 moving average, which usually is a very bearish sign. And if we get rejected at the 20 exponential, then we will probably head towards 0.25 and probably all the way down to the 200 moving average at 0.11. Technical indicators, they are also fairly flat or bearish at this point. Stochastic is bearish, the MACD is bearish, the stochastic is flat, CCI is bearish, and the RSI is flat. Break above the middle of the bullish band, that could open the door to 0.50. So, hope you find this helpful. If you want to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and good luck and thank you very much.